Let's talk about Home Department Stainless Steel Knockbox. Large coffee grounds and pulp container, made of steel with silicone stand for portafilter espresso machine. High-quality stainless steel and high-quality silicone makes the knockout box durable and reliable. No matter how hard you knock, this coffee grounds container will serve its purpose to collect used coffee grounds. Non-slip easy cleaning. The bottom of the grounds container is not slipping and not scratching your kitchen counter, and the whole knock bin can be taken apart and cleaned under water of the dishwasher. Perfect accessory for your kitchen or bar. Just bank out your coffee pucks in this bucket. It takes around 1,520 portafilter coffee grounds until it is filled up. Ultra durable, made out of strong steel and silicone to long time heavy use. Get it now and enjoy thousands of coffees with this coffee grinds container. Quality guaranteed. If you ever have a problem with the item, contact our customer service team and we will be happy to help. We really care after you made the purchase. This is really solidly built. I had been using a Sage knockbox, but all too often some grinds would finish up on the table. No signs of that with this so far, even when a puck is pretty wet. Very good capacity. Sturdy. I can slam my portafilter to remove the coffee pulp, and it doesn't budge. Very easy to disassemble to clean, and after that it looks like new.